Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FreshTunes. FreshTunes, a musician's guide, is it right for you? Are you an independent artist seeking a global reach without emptying your wallet? FreshTunes is a music distribution service you might have encountered in your search. Let's dissect its core features, advantages, and disadvantages to determine if it's worth your valuable time and effort. One of FreshTunes' most appealing features is its free music distribution to major platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, and more. This is particularly attractive to budget-conscious artists. A significant advantage is the platform's commitment to letting you keep 100% of your royalties. There are no hidden fees or deductions from your hard-earned income. Furthermore, you can access your earnings whenever you need them, a definite plus for musicians requiring immediate funds. FreshTunes goes beyond basic distribution by offering supplementary services like YouTube Content ID and social media promotion. These tools can be beneficial for independent musicians striving to expand their reach. However, it's crucial to understand that many of these added services come with an additional price tag. This can diminish the initial allure of the free distribution model. Another point to consider is that FreshTunes doesn't offer the advanced features found on some competing platforms. It lacks comprehensive analytics and robust fan engagement tools. This might be a drawback for artists seeking deeper insights into their audience demographics and listening habits, or for those who prefer more control over their promotional strategies. So, who is FreshTunes best suited for? It's an excellent starting point for emerging musicians who need a simple and efficient way to distribute their music worldwide. However, if you have a growing fan base and require more advanced features for management and promotion, you might find FreshTunes somewhat limiting. Another potential issue is customer support. Some users have reported slow response times or a lack of responsiveness, which can be problematic if you encounter technical difficulties or other issues. In summary, FreshTunes presents a decent option for artists looking for a basic, low-cost music distribution solution. However, if you're focused on long-term career growth and require in-depth data analysis, it's worthwhile to explore alternative platforms before committing to FreshTunes.